Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning market webcast. Okay, so we did 3006 through the holiday weekend. You're getting a little bit of a pullback. It pulled back as low as 71 quarter from Thursday, the Thursday Friday, the extended session due to the holiday. Your new weekly pivot is right here at 29.8442. They've been fighting over that for most of Globex. So, I mean, here's your high. You got a lower high here. You had some resistance. You had a spike into the jobs number here that traded as high as 97 quarter. They took that down. There's a lower high here. There's a lower high versus the high, but this is also a lower high relative to, it's a higher high relative to jobs. Not by much, but by a little bit. So what I'm choosing to see here is I'm seeing, basically 97 resistance right here, okay? And until the bulls figure out 97 this week, they're going to have a tough time getting out in front of price. You have another potential lower high right here. So what you need now, you need the lower low. You need to break the Globex low at 78.75 and try to deal with the 71 quarter low from Friday morning. If they can accomplish that, then the Bears have a bit of an opportunity to try to work things back towards the daily middle band, which is sitting down at 29.36. If that doesn't work out, then you're going to see eventually support at weekly pivot. You're going to see a move above 97, and then we'll start dealing with new highs. I would expect something fairly directional today as the day develops. We might have some chop, your typical Monday morning whip and pickpocket kind of a thing. But I think once we get into the day, I'm expecting weekly pivot to make a decision here and to give me something directional as the day progresses. And if things don't change, the advantage is for the Bears, for something directional to the downside to threaten this low and see if they can convert it. All right, everybody have a great day. We're going to open in about 15 minutes. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.